Hi, welcome to Classic Car Cove. So I don't want to put this video up of some of the things that you don't see behind the scenes. When we do the videos, normally they're on cars or projects, but this is stuff that has to be done around the garden and the house. And as I said in the video, we're very lucky we have somebody help us out. Or it would be a full-time job. I'd never get a chance to do any of the cars, and I am retired, but it'd be a lot of work, especially not so bad in the winter, but in the summer, a lot of work. So just to let you know how the situation is, I went up to Vienna. I got it wasn't actually an operation as such. It was, they took some blood, they put it into centrifuge, put some stuff with it. What exactly they put in it, I do not know. Maybe DNA from a 20-year-old, who knows. Anyway, and it was about 30 minutes, and then they gave me a local anesthetic to deaden their shoulder, and then they put some really big needles in. Into the shoulder in 6 or 7 different places, and it's kind of like filling where the break is, or where it's partly snapped. It was like they filled it there, and apparently it generates really quickly, much more than it would at my age at 71. And I have to admit the pain's a lot better, but it will take some weeks to nick together, 4 to 6 weeks, whatever. So I'll still be careful with it. But I'm having a lot better sleeps now. I'm not sleeping right through the night, but it's only sort of once getting up through the night instead of twice or 3 times. So that's good news. And I just want to put this little video up just showing you some of the things in the background that we get up to. I hope you enjoy it. Take care. So along with many other bits of maintenance that has to be done around it, I mean, it's a problem if you have land. It's all very nice and it's lovely getting on your tractor and mowing your lawns and all that on a Sunday morning with a beer in your hand. This is the idyllic thought, but it comes with work and maintenance. And we're very lucky that we have people to help us as well. Otherwise, it would be a full-time job completely. So, as you know, I bought this some months ago, or a month or so ago, and we need it for the decking and all the stonework that we have. I have a Karcher, but it's just not strong enough to really get the crap off these walkways. And one of the reasons I wanted to get the steam, the pressure, was I thought it might work under these stepping stones down into the pool. But unfortunately, once it's underwater and it's submerged, it just dissipates the power. So I'm afraid they have to be scrubbed by hand. There's no other way. Top ones are fine. So what I've done here, I've just done these boards here, and I did this bench as well that we got as a wedding gift. So I've done this bit here, but I've done it cold just to see how it looks, and I'm going to do the next 4 of this corner here with the hot water on and see how that goes. So it's just a water line into it. It's 3-phase. Well, one of the reasons I got the heater one, not just the power, was because what happens with wood, I'm sure everybody's realised, especially when it's decking outside, it gets a lot of moss in it. And even if you clean it, you never really get rid of that moss. Or you get rid of it, but the spores grow back again very quickly. Whereas with the heat kills it, especially when it's high temperature. And it cleans the wood much more efficiently, much better. And although we're taking all this decking up, not to replace all of it, some of it will be cleaned and reused, and all the underpinnings will be completely replaced. But the reason I'm doing all the boards is they've been down for, 15 years? More? 16? I don't know exactly. But as you see, you can't even see the screws, and there's so much crap into the screw holes, we'll never get to them. So this is one of the reasons I want to clean the whole board, even though there's some here that are completely split and will not be used again. But you can imagine trying to get to these little screws. You can't even see them in this part. That's the other reason to do it. I mean, that one's split right at the end there. I don't know how far it's split all the way down. So I mean, that one there, for instance, this one here, that's knackered, so we'll have to make a new one for it. But we do need to get them up, and we're talking thousands and thousands of screws. So yeah, that's the reason behind it. If you wondered, if you think we've gone mad, it's an expensive bit of kit to invest in, but I think long term it'll be worth it, because we need that power, especially now we're turning the courtyard into stonework, or some of it into stone from complete wood. So there we go. chap coming round and going to detail this for me. It's a bit lazy, but my arm's still a bit sore, so as you can see, it's absolutely filthy. Look at that. There's crap on there. It's terrible. It's going for its MOT, and it should have been cleaned before that, but yeah, it really is. Quite mangy. It's probably not coming out very well on here. You might be able to see it better there. The state of it. Such a lovely colour too, this. So, I'm going to take my dog down and we're going to start watering the garden, all the other stuff I have to do. When Amir's not here, they're away for 3 weeks. So, see if I pulled everything out. David Brown. There's the XJ6, which I'm going to do a video on soon. Show you what I'm up to. Maybe I'm going to put my other car over this side. So, we go for a walk, Stella? Come on then. So, there we go. Yeah, we've got a few, 2 or 3 days, I think 3 days of 30 odd degrees. That's 24 now. Hence I'm wearing shorts and a t-shirt. And yeah. Oh, dog coming in. Yeah, the garden's looking great, but takes a lot of maintenance. It's all these little tricky bits here. It's alright when I can get on my tractor. Oh. On the lily pads. The frogs keep jumping in. Ah, there you go. So, I shall get on and do the watering. This is the downside to having land. You've always got to try and keep on top of it all the time. It takes hours to water it. So there she is, all done and dusted. What a difference, it's made a cracking job inside as well. Looks beautiful. I've done some vanilla essence in there. Look how nice that looks. Yeah, very close for that. Done everything, the boot, the engine bay. Top looks great. And he's also done a ceramic on it as well. Ceramic finish. That's the nuts.